Good afternoon. Welcome to the 4 TV News with me, Enggar Tiasto. We will bring you the most updated news about Indonesian latest news, and I will accompany you in 30 minutes forward. This is a breaking news update for all motorists planning a long distance road trip. With the holiday season approaching, as we know, we will facing the holiday season start on 28 May 2025 until Eid Adha on 6 June 2025. Thousands vehicles will be hitting the roads during this holiday season. People will go back to their hometown or maybe they just find some place to go with their family. Some news that already published, there are a lot of accident news while people in break. A lot of accidents caused by internal factors. For example, the sleepy drivers try to force themselves to still awake, but it is not work. And at the end, it occurs cars accident. Other internal factors is because of the car's engine in itself. But is your car ready to facing the density road while this long holiday? How to maintain and also prepare your car or to facing the long trip while this holiday season? Our reporter Cindy Manda is live from a local car inspection center in Tegal City to tell us how to prepare your car so that we can avoid trouble on the road directly with the automotive expert. Cindy?
Thank you, Enggar. I'm here at AutoCare Inspection Center in Tegal City, where mechanics are busy check vehicle before the owner head out for a long drive. One of the most important steps to ensure a smooth journey is to make sure your car is in top condition. As you can see, there are a lot of vehicles here checked by the mechanic to ensure the car is it good to drive or not. I'm joined now by Miss Salsabila, the leader of AutoCare Inspection here. Miss Salsa, what are the key things drivers should check before going on a long trip?
Thank you, Cindy, for coming in our inspection. As you said before, we will facing the long holiday trip at 29 of May and also in 6th of June. And if we talk about what should we prepare before we go to the long trip for our vehicles before, you can come with me in our inspection. Then this is the usual view in our inspection while the holiday seasons will be comes. And this is one of our customer vehicles that already checked by our mechanics. First thing first, they always check the engine oil and also the coolant and also the fluid brake. The engine coolant is inside the car, and then the fluid brake, also the fluid brakes. And as we know, there are a lot of news that if we not check up our fluid brakes, there are a lot of accident occurred because of the fluid brakes not working, and it make the car lose control. And the next component, the secondly, is the car tires. Don't forget to check up the air pressure of these car tires, and also don't forget to bring the spare tires because we don't know what will happen while we go in our long trip.
Around what air pressure should be in car tires?
About the air pressure in itself, for this common car or this passenger car, the air pressure in itself around 30 until 35 pounds square per inch.
Is it enough for the vehicle checkup, or maybe there are still some components to check up, Miss Salsa?
Absolutely, this is not enough at all. We should the next component we should check is the wipers and also the light, because the wipers and also the light will be helpful for the driver to look around through the window to look the road while maybe in dark spot or place, and also the bad seasons like rainy seasons, because the wiper will be wipes out the the water from the rain in itself. And then the last but not least, don't forget to bring the emergency KD tools because we don't know what will happen in our trip. Maybe it will be happen some emergency things while we go in our trip.
Very helpful tips from Miss Salsa. Also remind drive to carry emergency kits such as jumper cables, a flashlight, and basic tools. And don't forget to rest every 2 hours to avoid tiredness. Back to you in Studio Enggar.
Thank you, Cindy, and also our speaker, Miss Salsa. That's a great tips and a reminder for us to facing the long trip with a good car condition. A few simple checks can make all the difference for our trip. Have a nice day and smooth journey soon. Thank you and good afternoon, everyone.